It's go-go mellow time.
Hi friends, come with me. We're going on a kitchen adventure. Let's find out, safe to touch or not safe. Shout, yay! I walk, I hop, I roll along into the kitchen singing my song. Oh, what's that shiny thing I see? It's sharp and pointy next to me. I ask my friends, what do we say? Safe to touch or not today? Not safe! That's right, stay away. I turn around and what appears? A pair of scissors by my ears. They're good for crafts with grown-up care, but not for touching anywhere. I ask again, shout it loud and brave. Safe to touch or not today? Not safe! Good job! Oh look, a blender standing tall. Buttons, lights, but that's not all. It spins so fast it whirls around. Danger, danger in that sound. So everybody tell me quick, safe to touch or not safe? Quick, not safe! What's that plug down by the floor? I don't touch it anymore. Plugs and sockets, no, no, no. Ask an adult before you go. Ready, friends? One more time. Safe or not safe? Not safe! The stove is glowing orange bright. It's hot like fire, shiny light. If we touch, ow, ow, we'll cry. So we keep our hands up high. Everybody shout with me. Safe or not safe? What's it be? Not safe! But wait, a toy apple on the chair. Colorful, round, no danger there. It's soft, it's fun, it's safe to play. Hip, hip, hooray, we end the day. Ready, friends, last time to say. Safe or not safe? What's today? Safe! Yay! Safe to play! The kitchen's fun.